Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Poised Playmaker from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her hair with a curved line to the right and diagonal turn downwards to the side of her head and turn it downwards at that corner. Semicircle turn back inwards at this lower point. Sharp turn back up on the right side and follow the same line back upwards. And I'm gonna stop there at that side of the head, and for the left side I'm gonna draw a similar line and turn it inwards at this lower point. Semicircle turn back down at that corner. Sharp turn back up on the left side of that and follow the same line back to the side right there. At the side of the hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and turn it inwards at this upper corner and turn it slightly back downwards. Copy the same shape again on the right side right there. And in the middle of her head, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. From that line, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side and turn it downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing at this corner and another one. And I'm also gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. Now for the shape of her face, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a diagonal curved line down. Turn it inwards to the chin, curved line across at the chin, and mirror the same shape of the face on the right side. For her eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a line down off center right there, diagonal curved line upwards at the side, turn it downwards. Copy the same shape again at this lower point. Below the eyebrow, a curved line across, diagonal turn downwards at the outer corner and curl it back upwards. For the inner corner, I'm gonna turn it diagonally downwards, and for the lower line of the eye, a curved line across. At that corner, turn it diagonally up on the right side. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for her pupil, a smaller circular shape on the left corner, and a black circle in the middle. Above the eye, I'm gonna trace the same line as the upper line of the eye, and I'm gonna thicken the outer corner above the eye right there. Copy the same shape of the eyebrow and the eye on the left side. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards in the middle of the eye on the left and right. Curved line across for the tip of the nose at this lower point. And curved line downwards on both the left and right side of the nose right there. And for her mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line below the nose right there. And from the outer corner of the mouth, I'm gonna draw the upper lips with a diagonal curved line upwards, turn it downwards in the middle, and mirror the same shape on the right side. For the lower lips, I'm gonna take the same outer corner and draw a diagonal line downwards to the middle point, curved line across at the middle, and diagonal turn back up on the right side. Above her head, I'm gonna draw her ponytail with a semicircle line across at the middle point, and from that semicircle line, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and turn it sideways. Copy the same curved line again at the side here and another one. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. In the middle point above, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, turn it back downwards. Below her head, I'm gonna draw her neck with a curved line downwards and turn it outwards at the base of the neck. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Extend that line outwards to her shoulder, semicircle turn diagonally down below that, and another curved line outwards diagonally to her elbow point, semicircle turn back inwards diagonally to her wrist. For the inner line, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line diagonally out and another diagonal curved line back inwards at this lower point. At this ending point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, a line diagonally inwards on both the upper point and the lower point, and a curved line across. At the side of that, a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards, another curved line diagonally in below that, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back up to the side of the wrist with a diagonal curved line. For the left line of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line towards her hand and turn it downwards. A curved line across at her sleeve and another similar line slightly above that. For the right side of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and slightly out, semicircle turn inwards and downwards all the way to the bottom point of her tops. Curved line across to the left right there, and a similar line across at this upper point. Now for her right arms, I'm gonna copy the same shape again, right there. And at her sleeve, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and another one at this lower point. For the color of her shirt, I'm gonna draw a V shape below the neck and another one below that. At the side of the collar on the left, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways to the left, diagonal turn upwards. A similar diagonal line on the left corner right there, semicircle turn downwards and diagonal turn back upwards to the shoulder. Another diagonal line on the left side, semicircle turn sideways to the left, turn it diagonally back up to the shoulder. Copy the same shape again on the left corner right here and another one at that point. On the right side of her outfit, on her waist, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways to the left, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back to the right. Copy the same shape again at this corner and another one below that. Now for her shorts, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards below the left arm, flare it slightly out at this lower point, and a curved line across at that corner. Turn it back up in the middle point and a curved line across in the middle of the shorts. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the shorts on the right side right there. And slightly above that curved line, I'm gonna draw another curved line across at that point and another one right there. On the left side, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line across and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn upwards all the way to her hand right there. Trace the same line again at this outer corner all the way back to the middle point. Below the short, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and slightly inwards towards her knee point. And I'm gonna draw a similar line at this outer corner. Below the knee point, another curved line slightly outwards, and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line on the right here. Below the knee, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of her socks, and below that, 2 more curved line across right there. Now for her shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side, upwards, semicircular turn across to the right, and semicircular turn back down. Below that, I'm gonna draw some crisscross knots right there, and a curved line across, a similar curved line below that, and a circular line at the sides. For the side of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, flare it slightly out below that, and turn it slightly inwards. Mirror the same shape on the right side, and a curved line across at the base of the shoe. A line down on both sides, below that, and a curved line across. Now on her ankle, now above her ankle, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and another curved line across above that. Now for her right leg, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line downwards for her thigh, for her lower leg as well. On the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, semicircular turn to the right, and semicircular turn back downwards. Below that, on the right side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the front tip of the shoe and turn it downwards, semicircular turn to the left with a curved line, semicircular turn at that corner slightly upwards, and curved line to the back of the shoe, semicircular turn upwards, and semicircular turn to the back of her ankle. At the side of that, I'm gonna make a curved line downwards, turn it upwards at the front here, and back down. Below that, I'm gonna draw some crisscross knots along the right side of the shoe right there. Curved line across at this point, and another one below that. And a curved line across at this ending point on the left. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm gonna trace the line across at this upper point right there. And for the pattern at the side of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line from the middle point above that line to the back and up, and curved line across downwards to the back. On the left side of that, another diagonal curved line all the way to the back right there. Now at the base of the shoe, I'm gonna draw some rectangular shapes along that side right there. And at this front tip right there as well. I'm gonna do the same thing for the left shoe right here. And for her socks, I'm gonna copy the same pattern with a curved line across below the knee right there, and on her ankle, a curved line downwards in the middle, turn it upwards at the sides, diagonally upwards, and a similar line again at this lower point right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.